Okay, this is the Phi-3 shield, and I also have an Arduino Mega connected to it. So let's power it up, see what it does. Alright, and there's already code loaded to the Mega. It is the alarm clock code. This is a full feature alarm clock. So do we load the alarms from EEPROM? Yes. So this up and down button, we can select either yes or no. Let's do yes and confirm. So this is our alarm clock. The code has been recently updated to run on Phi-3 shield. So you can take a look at all the credits if you want, and also you can dismiss it. Okay, so here's the main menu. You can display the alarm clock or display the clock. Just click that and there you go. March 7th, 11:24, Tuesday. Okay. We can also do adjust time if you want. So 11, let's just say we're in a different time zone. So 9 o'clock, 9:24, maybe advance the seconds by roughly 10 seconds. And 2017, this is a list of a month. Let's go maybe April 10th, and we display clock again. Okay, so now we're April 10th, and it looks like April 10th is a Monday. The day of the week is automatically set. Okay, how about we set some clocks, alarm clocks. So alarms, let's set the zeros alarm. There's actually 1, 2, if you go backwards, you can see there are 0 to 11, so there are 12 alarms. So let's set the very first one, roughly 9, maybe 26. Just hold on to the button. Okay, let's say daily. There we go. Go back to display. Looks like 20 seconds. In 20 seconds, the alarm will trigger. While we do that, waiting, let's just point out some obvious things. This is a display that has 4 lines of 20 characters per line. So we call it 20 by 4. Let's see. There we go. So that's the alarm. You can press the button to dismiss it. There you go. So the display is 20 by 4. You can display quite a bit of information on the display, and there's also buttons you can use to interact with Arduino. So up, down, left, right. The left button seems like it's hidden because it's got a green button cap, and there's also a confirm and escape. This button here is just Arduino reset. If you press reset, it goes back to the first screen, whether to load the alarms from EEPROMs or not. Let's still load them. And let's go to adjust time. So we can adjust it back 11 and 26. Maybe advance the seconds by a few. Okay. And 2017. Let's go back to March and 7th. Alright. So as you can see, with the left, right, and up, down button, I can navigate inside of a menu. These are rendered with the Phi prompt library that is open source. So how about display settings? There are 2 different types of display settings. So you've seen the regular. There's another one that helps you read from a distance. So here we go. There. So larger fonts. So 11:27 and Tuesday the 7th. So this is actually a library that I wrote. I call it Phi big fonts because it's using 2 rows to display 1 row of information. So it works perfectly on this 4 row by 20 column displays. It also works on the 2 rows by 16 column displays, but that is only able to display a few characters, as you can imagine. So just the clock face then. Okay, so we can press that, go back, and there's also the show credit. We have seen that already. The text can be scrolled up and down with these buttons, and all these features are integrated in the Phi prompt library that is open source. So go back to display. Here we go.